The healthcare industry is highly competitive, with hundreds of aspiring doctors and therapists setting up their own private practices, and dozens of clinics and hospitals opening up all across the country. Your logo is the first thing potential customers will notice, and is what they'll come to associate with your services. Make sure you make a great first impression with a professional logo from Placeit. In just minutes, you can create a unique and attractive logo that will help you build trust with your customers and help them recognize you. A well-made logo lets customers know that you're committed to your services enough to sweat the details. Let's get started. To make our logo, we want to go to the top left-hand side where it says Logos and click on that. Next, we want to go to this middle section where it says Company Name and All Industries and click on All Industries to get this drop-down that's going to let us filter by industry type. So we just want to slide down to where it says Medical and click on that. Here we're going to see all the different medical templates that Placeit has for us to use as starting points. We could also type in our company's name here or our clinic's name. So for example, let's say it's called Darwin Clinic, and what Placeit will do is generate previews using all these different templates with our name in them so we can get a better idea of which one we'd like to use. So once we've picked the template we'd like to edit, we can begin by going over to the left-hand side where we have all the different text options. You can just click on any one of these little text boxes to start typing away, and you can see that change reflected immediately in the preview. That makes it super easy to get exactly what you're looking for. So let me just go ahead and actually remove this here. Now, next to the text, you'll see these two little numbers, and these let us know the maximum number of characters that can fit on each line of text. To the left, we have a check mark, and if I click on it, it removes that piece of text. If I click on it again, it adds it back to the design. So it's super easy. Below, we have the font picker button. If I click on it, I get a drop down with all the different font options we can choose from. And to change it, I would just click on any one. And there we go. It's changed this line of text. To the right, we have the color picker. So if I click on it, we get a bunch of presets to choose from, and I would set any one of these just by clicking on it like that. Let me just go back, and if we click on more, we can basically choose any color that we'd like right here. We could also input the hex code for that piece of text if we happen to have that right here, and then we would just click on choose to set it. I'm going to go ahead and actually change it back. So let me see, I'm going to change this font here so they're the same, and I'm going to change the tagline to say healthcare solutions. Now notice that when I clicked on this text box, we get these little options. These let me change the size of that piece of text. So we can set it to small, medium, large, or extra large, just like this. And there we go. And finally, we can change the layout. So we can align everything to the right or to the left by just clicking on these buttons, just like that. Next, we can move on to the right-hand side to choose the graphic color and the graphic. So I think I'll leave it as it is right now, but if I wanted to change it, I would just click on this here. And we have the same options like we do for the text. Choose any one of these presets or click on more and choose any color that you like. Below, we have the different graphics. So let me just take a look. As you can see, there are a bunch of different options, and Placeit is constantly adding more. And if for some reason you can't find what you're looking for, you can always send us a quick email and we'll be sure to add that for you. So let me see here. I think I want to try something like this. That looks pretty cool. I'm just going to change the color. Let me see here. Maybe try a different type of green here. There we go. Cool. All right, and finally we could change the background if we wanted to do that, but I think I'll leave it this nice light gray because I do like the way that it looks. Finally, once you're ready to download your logo, you simply go to this top section here where we have the big blue download button, and you click on that. You're going to get this little window that lets you know the format and the resolution of your logo. So it's going to be a PNG, and it's going to be 4,000 by 4,000 pixels. Once you're ready and you're sure you don't want to make any more changes, you simply click on purchase and you follow those steps. Placeit also has templates that let you fully brand your practice, clinic, or hospital. In minutes, you can make attractive business cards, flyers, and social media images to promote your services online and offline. Placeit has an unlimited subscription, which is perfect for branding and promoting your healthcare services like the pros. Make your logo, business cards, flyers, social media images, and more for one low monthly fee. Don't worry about having to hire a designer or do everything yourself. Let Placeit take care of the boring stuff and let you get back to providing excellent healthcare. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to promote your healthcare services with Placeit.